Cabinet Ministers: Shri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence; Shri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation; Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways; Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs; Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare; Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs; Shri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs; Srimati Jubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development; Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of Textiles; Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship; Shri Narayan Taturane, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises; Shri Sarvananda Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of Ayush; Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs; Shri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines; Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment; Shri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj; Shri Jyotindra M. Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation; Shri Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel; Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways and Minister of Communication, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology; Shri Pasupati Kumar Paras, Food Processing Industries; Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti; Shri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice; Shri Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power, Minister of New and Renewable Energy; Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs; Shri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers; Shri Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Minister of Labour and Employment; Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries; Shri Purashottam Ruplal, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying; Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of North East Region; Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports; Ministers of State, Independent Church: Rao Inderjit Singh, Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning and Ministry of Corporate Affairs; Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, Minister of Earth Science, Minister of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Ministry of State in the Department of Space; श्रीपद यशो नायक, Minister of State in the Ministry of Sports, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Tourism. Shri Phagan Singh Kulaste, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Steel and Ministry of Rural Development. Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Ashwini Kumar Choube, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. General V.K. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Shri Krishna Pal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Power and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Shri Danbe Rao Saheb Dadarao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal and Minister of State in the Ministry of Mines. Shri Ramdas Athwale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balian, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animals, Husbandry and Dairying. Shri Nityanand Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Shri Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Sushri Shobha Karandlaje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Shri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Srimati Darshan Vikram Jardos, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Shri V. Muralidharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Culture. Shri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Renukha Singh Saruta, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Shri Rameswar Teli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Labour and Employment. Shri Kailash Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Shri A. Narayan Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Shri Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Ajay Bhatta. Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Tourism, Shri B.L. Verma. Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of North East Region and Corporation, Shri Ajay Kumar. Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Shri Debushin Chauhan. Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication, Shri Bhagwant Khuba. Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Chemicals and Fertilizers, Shri Kapil Maheshwari Patil. Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayat Raj, Sushri Pratima Bhomik. Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Subhash Sarkar. Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad. Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh. Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Education, Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar. Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Visheshwara Tudu. Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Jal Shakti, Shri Santun Thakur. Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Dr. Munjapara Mahendra Bhai. Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ayush, Shri John Barla. Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Dr. L. Morgan. Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Information and Broadcasting, Shri Nitish Pramanik. Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Youth Affairs and Sports. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our Indian GK Point.